the Godly Gospel channel. So today we're at the bank and this young girl, she said, can I ask you a question? Now you better ask it because I'm curious as to what did you think she was getting ready to say?
I don't know.
She said, how long have you guys been married? And I go, 11 years. And I said, can I ask you a question? I said, why do you ask that? And she goes, because you guys just seem really, really happy. What'd you think about that, Tony?
Nothing.
That is nice. That is nice. Isn't that awesome how they have snacks available? Now don't find your mama in them. Can you give me a Sprite, babe? The sugar-free is at the bottom. No sugar is the black one. Oh, okay, I didn't know if it was.
I've been here before.
Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Okay, so we're leaving the BMW dealership. That's the screen that Tony had that we was waiting on to come. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the same thing that's on this screen in the front. All the fixings that we have access to is now in the back as well. And this dress, okay, shows the perfect amount of cleavage because why am I showing y'all? Good Lord Jesus. Y'all see the rest of it at the restaurant. It's really cute. Really cute. With the buttons.
And 3 legs to go.
Any sides?
No.
All right, I'll be right back with that.
Yeah, because it's so small. It's like the last video only got like less than 50 views.
I mean, that's a good number to start with, though.
Okay. Okay, so this is the bathroom at Gus. It is clean, y'all. And we're going to make sure we leave it the same way we found it. Okay, this is creepy. That's creepy. Place for the baby, place for the purse. You need some assistance getting up, you got that. All right. Okay guys, so this is the fit. I know you probably can't see it good from there, so I'll set the camera down so you guys can see it. What do you think? What do you think? Did I do it? Did I do it? Are you gonna participate?
No. Get what?
Get the shoes. Are you paying it down to the feet? Is it recording here?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
I'm back check on it.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you. Have a blessed one. It says somebody's in the driveway, babe. It says somebody's in the driveway. Okay, so I know I'm supposed to be on a diet or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this chicken. I'm gonna eat this chicken, y'all. It's delicious.
Okay, you need tripod or anything? You good?
No, thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
Y'all see this ash on my leg? It was a wasp out here, y'all. Y'all know I don't do bees, I don't do wasps. Okay, so that just happened. We got our to-go food. I'm getting a box for this. My humble YouTube channel. Tony ate all of his. I knew he was gonna eat all his though. Where's the young lady that was waiting on us?
Oh, they transferred to me. They were in a hurry to get out of here.
She was in a hurry to get out of here.
She might still be up in there.
She might still be up in there.
Yeah.
India.
Let me go see if she's still there.
Okay. So guys, I don't know if y'all can see, but the umbrella, the time that I wasn't recording, the umbrella literally flew up in the air.
Because it was too windy.
It was very windy out. But yeah, so that's a blessing that it didn't hit us in the head or anything like that.